Suspension of Operation SoO Agreement ki makhada laiba KUKI militant group singi cadre singna ground rule thugaiduna hingsa gi thawung chathabada yausile haibagi report kaya leire ground rule sing thugaidaklabadi chap chaba action lakhatkani haina Manipur lenga ki home department na SoO militant group singda akanba wafum khanghankhre Manipur lenga ki commissioner cum secretary home doinana SoO agreement ki joint monitoring group ki chairman oidiba N Ashok Kumar na khujek piduna SoO gi makhada laiba militant group sing KUKI National Organization KNO amasung United People's Front UPF ki chairman secretary sing da thaba cherolda hairibadi handak state asit thokliba ethnic class singda India lenga amasung Manipur lenga ka yaduna SoO agreement ki makhada leiba KUKI Jomi group singi cadre sing yausili haibage report kaya lakle asigumba thokdok sing mari leinaba investigating agency singna thizinbagi thabak chathari karigumba asengba achumba oiramlabadi SoO agreement asigi wahan thok manglakani khudam changdam kaya leiraba asigumba militant group singna agreement ki wafam sing thugaiba designated camp sing thadok laga chatpa khutlai pairaga mukna bathokpa mafam sing da changsin ba madi attack tawbada yausile haibagi wafam sing lakle ashigumba thawong asi thazaba manghanba kaidongnungda yaroidaba amasung SoO agreement ta wahang kaya lakani maramaduna ground rule sing thugaiba designated camp singi wangmada khutlai pairaga chatpa amasung lo na yadaba thabak tawrabadi leibak asigi logi matung ina thabak lokhatkani makhatana sigumba thabak thauram sing ase militant group singi luchingba singa lawtunaraga khangna tawba oirabadi militant group adugi mathakta lengakna akanba thabak lokhatkani haina khanghalakli